Hi, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for joining. So at Dollar Tree, I saw these flower pots and I thought they look so cute. They look like a mug. And I have this vase that I use for extra pods from my Nespresso. It's so huge. And I just have a few little extras that are left over. And I thought, let me see if I can turn this into a cute coffee pod storage. So I took out my air dry clay. Now, this is the Crayola one, and I have so many little packages. I'm gonna put the link if you want to know where I got it from. It's from Costco. I made the handle red because I intend to spray paint it. Now, the pot comes in 3 different colors. I believe there was orange, yellow, blue, and if I'm not mistaken, there was a green. So if you don't like any of those colors, I'm sure you can spray paint like I intend to try. And learn from my mistakes because, I always forget that with anything ceramic or glossy, you've got to scrape off the gloss. And E6000 did not work. So when I first attached it, I used E6000 and it seemed to work. I thought it was working, and then I kept trying the handle, and then when I was sanding it down, it started to detach. So as you can see here, I'm letting you know, don't use E6000. You can try after you sand down the glaze and you can see if it works for you, but this Gorilla construction glue is amazing. Over here you can see I'm putting drywall compound and some red paint to give it that ceramic glaze on top of the air dried clay. And that way it will seal and prep it for spray paint. So that's what I'm doing here. And to get the good, right smoothness, just a touch of water will give you that nice smoothness and a good brush. Now to seal the drywall compound, I'm using a combination of Mod Podge and a little bit of water. About 80-20 should do it. And then you get a good seal on that so that you prep that for spray paint. And here you can see I'm spray painting it with apple red spray paint. Oh, look how gorgeous that looks. Now my feature color in my kitchen is red with gray and other stuff, but red is my feature color. So I'm in my kitchen here and you can see that final look. So I'll let you to it. So I'm in my kitchen and here's my coffee station. So I wanted to give you an idea what happens. So I have this big glass jar here. And as you can see, any extra capsules, this is for my Nespresso because I have the drip coffee here and the Nespresso. So I have containers underneath, the little cabinet containers. But what happens with this one is that when you fill the capsules, I always get leftovers. With my extra K-cups, I have a big Tupperware that I put the extra in. And then with these ones, I keep them separate. So now I have these little extra ones. So now you can see I'm full here, and now I have that. And now I can use my new mug. Let's see if they fit. Oh my God, just perfect. Oh my God, this is heavy. So now I could put my little mug here. That's it. I don't have to have that big glass jar there. Get your own little planter. You can make your own. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.